Welcome to the world of automotive convenience and comfort. Today, we're diving into the realm of remote car starters. If you're on the hunt for the best remote car starter to elevate your driving experience, you're in the right place. We've done the research, and in this video, we'll explore the top contenders in the market, guiding you to make an informed choice for your vehicle. Stay tuned for expert insights and in-depth reviews. At the first position of our list, we have Avital 7000 143 liters one-way 4-button replacement remote car starter. Introducing the Avital 7000 143 liters one-way 4-button replacement remote car starter, your ticket to an enhanced driving experience. This remote car starter is designed to provide convenience and comfort at your fingertips. The Avital 7000 143 liters boasts a user-friendly 4-button remote that allows you to start your car from a distance, ensuring a warm or cool cabin before you even step inside. Whether it's a hot summer day or a chilly winter morning, this car starter system ensures you step into your ideal climate. One of the standout features is the high-quality keyless entry function. With the touch of a button, you can lock and unlock your vehicle with ease. The compact, ergonomic remote fits comfortably in your hand and easily attaches to your keychain. Installation is a breeze thanks to its simple plug-and-play design, and the Avital 7000 143 liters is compatible with a wide range of car models, making it an excellent choice for many drivers. Plus, its reliability ensures you can rely on it year-round. Invest in the Avital 7000 143 liters one-way 4-button replacement remote car starter and enjoy the luxury of a pre-conditioned car every day. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Compustar CS 7900 as all-in-one 2-way remote car starter. Elevate your driving experience with the Compustar CS 7900 as all-in-one 2-way remote car starter. This advanced system offers an all-inclusive solution for your vehicle's remote start and security needs. The CS 7900 provides two-way communication, meaning it not only sends signals to your car, but also receives feedback on your car's status. You can be confident that your car has successfully started, and its security features are active. Featuring a powerful two-way remote, this system allows you to start your vehicle from up to 3,000 feet away, ensuring you step into a perfectly comfortable interior, no matter the weather. The LCD screen on the remote displays critical information about your car, such as its temperature, engine status, and security alerts. The Compustar CS 7900 also includes a comprehensive security system with a siren, shock sensor, and keyless entry. With this remote car starter, your vehicle is not only comfortable, but also safe from potential threats. The CS 7900 is compatible with both automatic and manual transmissions, making it versatile for all types of drivers. With an easy installation process, you can enjoy the benefits of this feature-rich remote car starter in no time. The number 3 position is held by Avital 4000 105 liters one-way remote car starter system. For a simple and efficient way to start your car remotely, the Avital 4000 105 liters one-way remote car starter system is the ideal choice. This system offers the convenience of warming up your car in cold weather or cooling it down on hot summer days. The Avital 4000 105 liters includes a compact one-button remote control, making it incredibly user-friendly. With the press of a button, you can initiate the engine start process from a distance. This simple design is perfect for those who want a no-fuss remote starter. The system is designed to work with a wide range of car makes and models and is compatible with both manual and automatic transmissions. Whether you're a busy parent or a professional with a tight schedule, the Avital 4000 105 liters will save you time and ensure a comfortable ride. The installation process is straightforward, and the included instructions guide you through the setup, making it a hassle-free experience. The Avital 4000 105 liters offers a reliable and efficient way to remote start your car, giving you peace of mind during extreme weather conditions. Next at number 4 we have StartX Remote Car Starter. Experience the ultimate in convenience and control with the StartX Remote Car Starter. This innovative product is designed to enhance your daily driving experience by allowing you to start your vehicle remotely. The StartX system is compatible with a wide range of car models, including select Ford and Toyota vehicles. This means you can enjoy the benefits of remote starting even if your car didn't come equipped with this feature. One of the key advantages of the StartX system is its easy installation. The kit includes all the necessary components and step-by-step instructions, ensuring that you can set up your remote starter without the need for professional installation. With a simple press of a button on the included remote, you can start your car's engine from the comfort of your home or office. This means no more shivering in the cold or sweating in the heat as you wait for your car to reach a comfortable temperature. The StartX remote car starter is a reliable and cost-effective solution to upgrade your vehicle and make your daily routine more comfortable and efficient. Finally, the number 5 position is held by Prestige APS 997Z TwoWay LCD command confirming remote car starter. Elevate your driving experience with the Prestige APS 997Z TwoWay LCD command confirming remote car starter. This advanced system combines security, convenience, and style to provide you with complete control over your vehicle. The Prestige APS 997Z features a two-way remote with an LCD screen that not only sends commands but also confirms their execution. This means you'll receive feedback on your car's status, ensuring you have peace of mind. With a range of up to a mile, this remote car starter allows you to start your vehicle from a significant distance, providing you with a perfectly comfortable cabin when you're ready to drive. The LCD screen on the remote displays crucial information such as your car's temperature, engine status, and security alerts. In addition to remote start functionality, the APS 997Z offers comprehensive security features, including a siren, shock sensor, and keyless entry. You can trust that your vehicle is not only comfortable but also safe from potential threats. The Prestige APS 997Z is compatible with a wide range of vehicles, and its installation process is made more accessible with the included instructions. Upgrade your driving experience with the Prestige APS 997Z and enjoy the luxury of complete control over your vehicle. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more automotive insights. Until next time, happy driving with your new best remote car starter.